When my boyfriend chews really loud.
Great.
Yes,
You are
that
you are
too.
true. You are true. You are true.
That too. Yes, I hate stuff like that. I hate bullying and all those kinds of things. Even in like films and stuff, when there's like bullies and things like that, it makes me really uncomfortable. I don't like it. But yeah, no, my boyfriend chewing really loudly was anyone chewing loudly is something I just
Okay.
can't
Okay.
cope with.
Okay. I understand.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Maya. What's your name?
My name is Indrajit, and I am from India.
Nice to meet you. Well, I am Maya. I'm from England, but I live in Mexico.
Oh, so, madam, may I know that why are living here?
Why am I living in Mexico?
Yeah.
So I have been traveling for the last 2 years. I
Oh,
live,
wow.
yeah, I live and work. Sorry, I
Okay.
live and work in different countries. Um, so Mexico is just the current place I'm in. I moved here with my boyfriend about 2 months ago from Thailand,
Oh,
and
great.
I currently work full time on Cambly.
Oh, this is flexible and this is awesome. Cambly is awesome.
It's great, right? Yeah, I do it, full time now. When I was in Thailand, it was only part time, but when I moved here,
Okay.
I didn't want to get another job, and no one in Mexico really speaks English.
Oh,
So
that's the problem.
yeah, and I don't speak Spanish. My boyfriend, he's from Argentina, so he speaks
Oh,
Spanish, but I don't.
so
So
your boyfriend and you are living together in
yes.
Mexico. Oh,
Mhm.
so and may I ask that how do you meet your boyfriend? How do you meet first time?
Yeah, I met him when I was visiting Thailand for the first time,
Okay.
like nearly 3 years ago. So yeah, and then I met him, yeah, in Thailand, went back to England, and then moved to Thailand like a few months later.
Okay, okay, great. And so it is really nice timing you
Yeah,
passed.
it's been interesting the last couple of years. Obviously, this year was a bit different to last year
Yeah. And
for traveling.
yeah, yeah, madam. So what are the countries have you visited?
Visited or lived in?
Visited and also lived there.
So I've lived in Thailand and then Australia and then Thailand again
Oh,
and now Mexico. But I've visited
okay.
like 18 countries, I think.
Wow. So you are such a great experience you have.
Yeah, like most of these are from this is including family holidays and things and
Okay.
holidays from when I was younger. But yeah, in total, I visited like I think 18 different countries.
Wow. So excellent.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a lot of
And
fun. I love it.
yeah. And have you visited India before?
I have not.
Oh, so you should visit because we are the very warmy people.
Yeah, I actually I would love to, but I haven't as of yet. Whereabouts in India do you live?
I live in the state name is West Bengal and the city name is Kolkata.
Okay, nice. Can you type that for me? I don't think I've heard of that. Can you send me a
Okay,
message
yeah,
with
yeah,
the name?
yeah, exactly. Here is it is.
Okay, it hasn't come through yet, but I'm sure it will in a second. Yeah, it hasn't come through yet, but I'll let you know when it does.
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
there it is.
yeah, it is.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't heard of here, but I will add it onto the list of places that people recommend to
Okay.
me.
And yeah, I checked your profile and I noticed that one thing attracts me, that you are once in your life that you are a teacher that of handicapable school, right? So
Yeah.
it is really great opportunity to deal with them. So I know that it is very hard to deal with them. So I want to know from you that what is the experience, how to deal with them.
So for me, I actually like my friend, my cousin actually,
Okay.
worked there, and I kind of did some work with them over like a couple of summers. And yeah, it's definitely different. You
Yeah,
know,
exactly.
lots of these children are.
You have to do sign language. You have to know sign
Yeah,
language.
I do know sign
Yeah.
language. Not loads, but I do, not anymore anyway. I used to be quite good, but now I haven't practiced in such a long time. I'm not very good anymore. But yeah, you need to kind of have a certain way about you. You need to be quite gentle, but
Yeah.
these kids don't want you to treat them like they're different, because that's
Okay.
not what it, if you, some don't understand, some do, like it depends on the disability that they have, how severe
Okay.
it is. But yeah, some of the ones with, mild in disabilities, they don't like to be treated differently, so you don't.
Yeah, exactly.
um, but it does take time to learn
Yeah,
how to not treat these people differently, because it's
exactly,
quite
exactly.
quite unknown. It's quite scary. Sometimes they're aggressive or loud, and it
Yeah,
makes you feel a bit
exactly,
like,
exactly.
oh, and
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
yeah, oh.
I understand. I understand.
But
And
it's normal to feel like that, because it's not something that people are around often.
oh yeah, exactly. And what are the things that make you happy?
I love the ocean. I love,
Oh,
yeah, I love
ocean.
my boyfriend and I, we go to the beach most days and just spend some time in the water and then come home.
Great.
It's great. Um, that's one thing that makes me happy. I like kind of being out and about and doing something. We do. We go to the beach most days.
And yeah,
I
and
don't like
also
sand, though. That's the difference. I
yeah.
hate sand, but I love the ocean.
Oh, great. And I think that you love diving.
Yes, I do.
So have you tried scuba diving?
Yes. Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
great. So, when do you I mean, scuba diving in the first time?
I did it for the first time last year. Yeah, last year.
Oh,
I haven't got many dives, to be honest. I wish I had more, but they're very expensive. But yeah, I for the very few dives that I do have, I love it.
oh, great.
Uh, it's yeah, my boyfriend is much, much, much better at diving than me, but I love it. Yeah, I wish
It
I
is
could do it every day.
it is really adventurous.
Yeah. Um, yeah, it's kind of an experience like no other. It's something you can't really describe until you do it.
Yeah,
uh,
exactly.
have you ever tried it?
No, but I have a wish. If I get a chance for doing that, then I definitely go for it.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I highly, highly recommend it. It's amazing. It's one
Yeah.
of the best. It's one of the best things I've ever done. So for
Oh,
sure.
wow, great.
So
And what are the things that make you irritated or angry?
that makes me angry.
Yeah.
Uh, um,
Ninja
when my
skills?
boy, when my boyfriend chews really loud.
Great.
Yes, that
You are
too.
true, you are true, you are true.
That too. Yes, I hate stuff like that. I hate bullying and all those kinds of things. Even in like films and stuff, when there's like bullies and things like that, it makes me really uncomfortable. I don't like it. But yeah, no, my boyfriend chewing really loudly was just anyone chewing loudly is something I just
Okay,
can't cope
okay.
with.
Okay, I understand. So you are calm, very calm person.
Yeah, I do. So I do get easily wound up sometimes. You know, a bit annoyed, but not like
Okay.
I don't think to like a really really bad point. I'll be annoyed for like 10 minutes, and then my boyfriend or
Okay.
I will go sorry, and we'll say sorry, and then it's done. You know, I'm not someone, I don't think, that will leave something going for hours and hours and hours. I would rather be annoyed for a little bit and
Hmm.
then get it out of the way, because I don't want to waste my life being annoyed.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So, but I do
And
get wound up quite quickly sometimes, I do have to admit.
great. And do you like cooking?
Yes, I do, but I'm not very good at it. So my boyfriend,
Oh,
he's the cook, and he helps me and is teaching me. Like I'll try and do something, and then when I need help, he will come
wow.
in.
So you have a great boyfriend.
Yes, I do.
Great, lovely.
Yes, I definitely do. Um,
So
so
he
yeah,
cares. He cares you a lot, I
I
think.
hope so.
So,
Yeah.
and can you share me that what is the expensive gift sent to you by your boyfriend?
What is the what? Sorry.
What is the expensive gift present?
Uh,
I know that your boyfriend is itself is a very good present, a very precious gift, but in non-living things.
um, I think together we paid for my scuba diving course.
Oh, that is really
Mm,
interesting.
yeah, so because I couldn't afford it on my own, and neither could he because it's quite expensive. So yeah, we did it together, but I would say that one probably, because it is quite a lot of money.
Yeah, that is unique. Yes,
Yeah,
I
and
understand.
yeah, and we've done it like we've dived together as well, which was a lot of fun. So I enjoyed that a lot.
Wow.
But yeah, I'd say those are kind of probably the top. That's probably the top one that he got. We do get each other,
Okay.
have got each other things for like Christmases and birthdays as well. Um, Probably actually the most expensive present he got me was him, because he paid for flights to come and see
Oh, I
me for
see.
my
I see.
birthday. This was
Oh,
when we were living apart, like not apart, like separated, like in different countries. Um, and he paid to come and see me, and
oh,
he went to the wrong airport, so he had to buy new flights.
oh,
So
wow.
yeah, I'd say
Oh
maybe
my
that as well.
God. Great. So I want to say that uh, your boyfriend is really a good person and also a very caring to
Yeah,
you.
yeah, I think so too. I'm glad he can't
Great.
hear any of this. He'd have a very big head right now.
Great. Great.
um, yeah, so he paid twice to come and see me.
Awesome.
Yeah, because he was like, it was my 21st birthday, and he was like, I can't come, I missed my flight. So I was like, well, it's my 21st birthday, you have to come. He was like, yeah, you're right, I do have to go. Okay, and just went into the airport while on the phone to me and rebooked
Wow.
his flights. And I was like, woo!
Great. Excellent. Excellent. It is really awesome. And so, what does your boyfriend do?
So since we moved here, he's kind of been doing temporary jobs. So he did some work
Mm.
on something and on other things. He's been doing more temporary work at the moment
Okay. Okay.
than kind of a full-time job. But we're leaving to go to England in less than 2 weeks, so he doesn't need a full-time job at the moment.
Okay. I hope you will get.
Yes, when we come back, that would
And
be nice.
yeah, exactly. And madam, my time is running out hardly, so it was really lovely to meet you. See you soon. and take
Yeah.
care and stay sound with your really caring husband.
Thank you. It was very
Perfect.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I hope you have
Very
a
nice to meet you.
wonderful day. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Bye.